All right, good morning, everyone. This is day 33 on the path to $30,000 a month. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I've been running businesses for the past 3.5 years, and now I want to show you my ins and outs and problems that I have in business until I hit $30,000 a month. So this is day 33. On day 30, we were at 22 or close to $22,000 of last month. But we're trying to hit 30 this month. And so I do time lapses and dialogue going over the day in the life. And so if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and you're interested in getting into it and you want to see how real day-to-day life goes for an entrepreneur, yeah, come join. And I make a video every single day. So today, it's Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Before we start, I told you, really bad ADD, I bounce back and forth. I just want to say, my mother made this butcher block table for me, and she stained it 3 times. It is so beautiful. I finally have a dining table. I have these beautiful leather wrapped chairs. I'm just very blessed. This is such a nice space. My mom also created this slotted wall with my father. So if anyone needs any redesign or remodel, and you live in the San Diego area, hit me up. My parents, they do a hell of a job. Now that's out of the way, now we can talk about my Friday schedule. We're gonna keep it pretty simple. We're going to ship our sticker and decal orders. We're going to finally ship out some Craftmate paper into the warehouse. And if you don't know what Craftmate paper is, links down below. It's my sticker paper that I created. Craftmate paper we're sending out to the warehouse because I made a sale, and so people are kind of interested, I guess. Mug boats, of course, got to ship more of those out, and I'm gonna try to get 3 packs out today. That's a different SKU that I have not been sending in. So 3 packs. Maybe we'll just strictly do 3 packs today. I don't know. And then our cat stickers. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go back to my videos in the past. You'll see me fulfill those orders. And then we got to add more listings. So update on the TikTok shop. So really quick, my ADD is so bad. You have to watch these videos through all the way so you can understand what I'm talking about, because I bounce back and forth so much. So just bear with me here. My TikTok video did well. Last time I checked, it had 5,000 views. I made 1 sale off of it, which was surprising. I can't believe I made a sale off of it. I may start selling bumper stickers on this new TikTok shop because my other TikTok shop, not doing it. It's still suspended. It's been over 7 days when the customer support said they'd get back to me. It's been like 9 days, so no hope there at the moment. So I was like, you know what? I already have another TikTok shop. Let me advertise some decals or bumper stickers there. And to my surprise, I actually did well. Let's get our day started. Thank you so much, everybody that's watched me since day 1. This has been 33 days. 32, 33. I need to wake up. I need to drink my coffee. It is still early, so let's get this day going. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit.
All right, so I actually started with doing the supplier emails and getting designs ready to get created from the supplier so then I don't have to do the work. And then I went ahead and started listing new bumper stickers on Amazon, and I also listed them on eBay as well, and TikTok as well. So 3 different marketplaces. And now I am printing out shipping labels, and I got new cutting mats, so I'm cutting them down to the spec of the US legal size paper that I created called Craftmate. That's what I use. I use my own product. So yeah, I've got the stickers cutting out right now and gonna get them shipped out shortly. So if you're a crafter, you know that when you get a new sticker or a cutting sheet, it is so sticky, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just struggling getting the stickers off. What you guys haven't seen is I am putting these onto my new TikTok shop. So it's just really funny bumper stickers. I don't know, people are liking them. I'm getting orders. So that's going well. And then I also have emailed my sticker supplier and we're getting more stickers shipped out, but they are going to be labeling the UPC codes on the back of the stickers now. So I've already cut down my time by a lot. All I gotta do is just ship them into the warehouse, no labeling required, maybe some packaging on the 3-packs. But now we're going to do an FBA shipment and then I will be done with work for today. And then I have more car work to do, unfortunately, so I gotta get that done. So it'll be probably a shorter video, but we're just gonna get that FBA shipment out. And then we will go over yesterday's revenue to see how much money we made yesterday. So I started packaging up the 3-pack SKUs, like I said. So I came out with 8 of those. And then I did the other SKUs and I just did a 1 piece on all of those. Ended up being 27 pieces. And then I decided to get the Craftmate paper going and start creating some new SKUs. So this is the 10-pack that I'm doing right there. And then I do a 25-pack. I don't know what it is, but I created, long story short, I created this sticker paper company like 2 months ago. I got super caught up in the mug boats and they were selling, and I just haven't focused on my Craftmate paper that I created. I'm so proud. Like, I don't say that lightly because I don't like saying I'm proud of myself. But I'm genuinely like seeing it come to life. Like, I got all this packaging completely custom. Like, I got the packaging, the cellophane that covered the sticker paper. The actual sticker paper itself is completely custom. Like, I did all this on my own. No one helped me out. And it's an amazing feeling. And I don't know if these are gonna do well on Amazon, but it's exciting to just try it out and be like, well, we'll see. Like, I don't know. So this is my SKU of 10, and then we're gonna do a SKU of 25, and then we're gonna ship these out. And I don't know what's gonna happen. But the cool thing, the awesome thing about being an entrepreneur and like you start these new things, you never know if it's gonna do well or not. And so you just kind of keep your head level, and then if it does great, you're like, that's what I expected. If it doesn't do great, you're like, that's what I expected. You just keep your head level, and I love that. It's just, I'd rather bet on a business and myself than going to Vegas and betting that same amount of money down on red. You know what I mean? Like, this is where the real betting's at. This is like, you're betting on yourself, and I think that's so cool. And anyone out there that's doing that too, like, that's so cool. And if you want to do it, run it. Like, if you have money, try something. Like, this wasn't out. Like, this still isn't out. Like, people do not have this sticker paper. This is a completely new sticker paper. And I've just been too busy to actually put it out there in the world. And so here I am, I'm putting it on Amazon. If you want to support, if you are a crafter and you do create decals and stickers like that, go on my Amazon store or go to my website in the socials below. It's craftmatepaper.com, or on Amazon. You can buy them now and I can fulfill it at home, but these will be in the warehouse in a few weeks. So you can get them there. And yeah, I mean, shipping's probably maybe a little faster on Amazon, but I mean, I ship them out the same day. So yeah, anyways, that's what I'm working on right now. All right, so this took a little longer than expected. I mean, like, it's 25 a piece. I need to figure out a faster way to section off 25 sheets and maybe just stack them differently, but it's took a little bit of time, and they're also pretty heavy, but it got done. Okay, I got a 20-pound package going out to Amazon right now. So I just put the 20 Craftmate papers in there, and I put some mug boats in there. Oh, that's about it, because it ended up being 20 pounds, and I don't trust the shipment. So that'll have to do. So this is actually the end of the video. Now let's break down yesterday's revenue. Thank you so much for watching. All right, so we made $43.54 yesterday on eBay. And on Amazon, we made $441.30, with the total coming out to $485 yesterday. All right, so this month's revenue, we are at $1,407. We would like to be around $3,000 right now, but that's okay. We still have a lot of product coming into the warehouse that's not activated yet, like the mug boats, some of the cat construction stickers and decals, and also the Craftmates coming in and I'll be doing a lot more FBA shipments this month, so I'm curious what to be at by the end of the month. So if you haven't subscribed already and you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below. We make a video every single day. This was day 33. Tomorrow will be day 34. And yeah, we're just trying to hit that 1,000-day mark every single day, or at least make $30,000 by the end of the month. So thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a great rest of your Friday, and I'll see you tomorrow.